In the previous video, I have shown you how to solve the white cross, and you have solved it with the matter of the fact that both of them are of the equal. Okay, in all places both of these are equal. Now we have to solve the first layer. Why that? See, the one thing you have to know that this is orange, this is blue, and this one is white. So in this corner there will be a piece which will be white, blue and orange. So for that we have to search it: white, blue and orange. Where is it? It is here. White, blue and orange. So white, blue and orange must be here. So for that, see the algorithm. If the white is towards the base, follow this algorithm: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. In 9 steps it has gone there. If you haven't understood, see it once more. Now you see this one, it must be here because this is red, green and white. It's okay, I've mistakenly done it. So this PC must be going here. So for that you have to follow this algorithm, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is perfect. Now this one, see the white is not in the down but at side. This is a better option, and now we'll put it towards the green, so it will be here. This can be done in 3 steps: 1, 2, 3. It is okay. And lastly this comes the blue and red. This is blue and red, so the blue and red will come here and you can put it. So the first layer is complete with a small T in all sides. If you notice, you will get it. Okay, bye bye.